The PostX YouTube Gallery Block is here. Here's how you can use it to create a gallery and show it on your website. Using the PostX YouTube Gallery Block is like using any other block in PostX. You simply have to drag it on the page. Then you need to put your YouTube playlist ID and the YouTube channel API key. The easiest way to use the block is by using one of the pre-made templates. However, you can also change the layout of the block if you fancy. For this layout, you can simply change the playlist height. You can also make changes to the singular video for this layout. You can change the thumbnail height, show the description, and more. You can make changes to the video player options as well. You can make a video play automatically, enable or disable the player controls, run it in a loop or mute it while the video plays. Then there's the style settings. From here, you can change various design properties like the gallery spacing, texts, play icon styles, and the Load More button. Furthermore, you can make changes to the z-index, margin, padding, and others from the Advanced tab. That's all for today. For more PostX updates, subscribe to the channel.